Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you on new hairstyle for little bridesmaid and also for bride. I don't have any grown-up lady to use, so I have to use my daughter to do this style. So a grown-up person can use it as well, can use the style for wedding or birthday party, any celebration at all. So just stay tuned to this video and watch. It's very easy to do. It's not something that is difficult for you to do. Okay, cut the extension into two, then drag them out and comb it very well before you start. Just relax and watch it. Okay. Yeah, here some people will be wondering why I tied the hair. Is because I wanted to dry it with hand dryer, with a heat hand dryer. So I have to tie it like this because if I use it directly, it will make the work to look, it will spoil the work for me. That's why I decided to do it like this. So it will make it to relax very well. As you can see, the result is now smooth and very neat in eyes. Then, and for the styling, if you have any extension, you can also use it. Or me here in this video, I'm using Brazilian wool for the styling. Then you have to get your styling pin for this tutorial. You can use extension attachment for it, or you can use Brazilian wool. Anyone, it will be good. Then when starting, please, you have to pin, as you can see what I'm doing here, you have to pin the hair first before rolling. You need to pin it because if you not pin it before rolling, it will make the work not to be fine. But pinning it will make the work to be more easier for you to hold and roll. Okay? after styling the hair, get your needle and thread to hold the hair very tight, because if you use only styling pin to hold it, it will fall or it will lose quickly. Okay, then the best way to do it is to use needle and thread to attach it on the hair. As you can see, the final look, the hair is very nice and very beautiful. So subscribe to my channel. Bye.